How far away is the nearest star? If you got into the fastest spacecraft ever built by humans and pointed it at the nearest star outside our solar system, you would be dead long before you arrived. In fact, your children would be dead, and their children, and their children's children, and we'd still have thousands of years to go. The nearest star to Earth is, of course, the Sun, just 93 million miles away. Light from the Sun reaches us in about 8 minutes, but the next closest star, that's where things get truly hard for the human brain to comprehend. The nearest star system beyond our Sun is called Alpha Centauri. It's actually a system of 3 stars, Alpha Centauri A, Alpha Centauri B, and a smaller red dwarf called Proxima Centauri. And it is Proxima Centauri that holds the title of closest star to Earth, outside of our own Sun. So how far away is it? 4.24 light-years. That number sounds small. It isn't. 1 light-year is the distance light travels in an entire year, moving at 186,000 miles per second. In 1 single second, light covers a distance greater than going around the Earth 7 times, and Proxima Centauri is so far away that even at that unimaginable speed, light still takes over 4 years to get there. In miles, that's roughly 25 trillion miles. 25 trillion. Now let's put that in perspective with something real. NASA's Voyager 1 is the fastest and farthest human-made object ever launched. It has been flying through space since 1977. That's nearly 50 years of nonstop travel. And at its current speed, it would take Voyager 1 approximately 73,000 years to reach Proxima Centauri. 73,000 years. Modern humans have only existed for about 300,000 years, so we're talking about traveling for nearly a quarter of all of human history just to reach our closest neighbor. But here's where it gets really interesting. In 2016, scientists discovered a planet orbiting Proxima Centauri called Proxima Centauri b. It sits in what's called the habitable zone, the region where liquid water could exist on the surface. Some scientists believe it could potentially support life. Our closest stellar neighbor might have a habitable world. And thanks to the James Webb Space Telescope, we are learning more about systems like this every single year. There is even a real scientific project called Breakthrough Starshot that proposes sending tiny laser-powered probes to Alpha Centauri at 20% the speed of light. At that speed, the journey would take just 20 years. We may not be as far from the stars as we think. The nearest star is 4.24 light-years away, 25 trillion miles, 73,000 years by our fastest spacecraft. And yet, humanity is already dreaming of ways to get there. The universe is impossibly vast, and we are just getting started. If this blew your mind, subscribe, because every week we break down the biggest mysteries in space into something anyone can understand. The universe is waiting.